What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can go and take affiliate products on Digistore24, like this one over here that's paying $158 per sale, plug it into a landing page that looks like this, which is also a completely free tool. And then we're going to come over to this traffic website over here that is getting anywhere between 850 and 900 million views every single month. If you think about it, that's nearly a tenth of the world that visits this website every single month. Now, I'm not saying you're going to get 900 million clicks on your link, but I'm going to show you a strategy where we can go and get a small piece of this pie. Take a look at this website over here. This is the website that is getting 900 million views plus every single month. And I want you to take note of these little ads that people are running on the side over here. For example, there's a small Woolworth ads over here where people are promoting some kind of clothing product. There's some more ads over here. For example, why you should continue to exercise even as the temperatures are taking a toll. And take a look at that. This page over here is promoting the keto diet plan, which I actually have found this affiliate product on Digistore24.com. So here is another good example of this person promoting specifically the ultimate keto meal plan, making $40 every single sale that they make. Now imagine if you can go and list one of your ads on this website over here that is getting hundreds of millions of views every single month. There is a lot of potential for clicks, conversions, and sales over here, but I'm also going to go and show you a website where we can go and learn how to go and redeem a free coupon ad for the specific website over here, so you don't even have to pay for your initial ad. So with all of that being said, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go and build this entire system, how to go and set up your landing pages, plug in your affiliate product, and eventually go and run ads on this website that is getting 900 million views every single month without even spending a dime on your first ad. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. Now, I really recommend that you guys follow with me in today's video because this is going to be a little bit more detailed than the usual ways I speak about on my YouTube channel. This does require a couple of more steps to set up, so it's really important that you follow with me throughout this video. But if you get this right, this can really pay off, as this is a profitable business model. There are people making 5-6 figures every single month using this strategy. So the first thing that we need to go and do is we need to go and find our affiliate product. So in order to go and do that, I'm going to come over to Digistore24.com as this is what this video is about. On the top right over here, you can go and register a completely free account or log in if you've got an existing account. I've already got an account, so I've logged into my marketplace dashboard over here. Once you're on your dashboard, you will see a whole bunch of different categories on the left over here of various products that we can go and promote. Now, what I really like about this is you can go and choose any one of these categories. It works in any strategy, in any category. And I recommend go and choose something that you know, or something that you have knowledge about, or even perhaps something that you're passionate about and want to get into. So for example, if you're working a 9-to-5 job and health and fitness is your side hustle on the sideline, you can go and build a business out of this by going and choosing the fitness and health niche over here and building a business out of this. So let's go and choose health and fitness, and over here you will see it goes all the way up to page, I think 3 or 4. There's over 82 results. So there are over 82 different products that we can go and promote from. You need to know what kind of product to look for. So what I usually look for is a product that is paying a decent commission. For example, at least $30 or $40 more per sale. You don't want to go and promote these products that are only paying $4-5 here and there. You want to at least have a good conversion rate. And a good example that you can go and use is the ultimate keto meal plan, simply because there are people already doing this on this website, so it is currently working. And remember, this website is getting 900 million views every single month, so it's not saturated. Just because another person is doing this doesn't mean it's saturated at all. In fact, we can go and piggyback what's doing well already. You'll see over here, this meal plan currently has an 85% commission rate, which is really, really high. Most 9-to-5 salesman jobs only pay between 2 and 5% commissions. So for this company to be rewarding you 85% per sale is an amazing commission, which is specifically $40.82 per sale. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to go and leave this in a new tab. Now I'm going to show you a strategy that I used with affiliate marketing, where I hook in leads with a free product, I give to them, but in the end I leave them wanting more, getting them to buy my upsell. So what I've done is I've got this entire landing page over here that is giving away this entire cheat sheet ebook over here. So what people can do is they can go and download their free copy by entering their name and email address. But once they do that, it's then going to take them to the upsell of the Digistore24 product over here. So essentially what we're doing is we are going to be giving away a free ebook on this website over here that is getting hundreds of millions of views every single month. And we are then collecting email subscribers in our email subscriber list through our form over here that pops up on this button. And then from this page, which is linked to my affiliate link on Digistore24, will then take them to this page over here where they can go and get an entire webinar and their own entire customized meal plan, which is why the strategy converts very well, because instead of just slapping a paid product in front of a strange audience, we are giving away something for free, building a relationship with all of our leads and leaving them wanting more by giving them something for free. And on top of all of this, I'm going to give you this entire landing page at the end of this video. So if you want this, make sure to keep watching and I'll give you access to this completely for free. So the first platform that we need to come to in order to design this landing page where we're going to be giving away our free ebook is called Kartra.com. If you want to go and get access to all the premium features of this tool for $1, you can go over to the first link in the description, which will take you to over the plans and pricing page over here, which you'll see these plans are $99 to $499 a month. But if you want to go and get access to any one of these for just $1 for your first month, that is the first link down below. And then you can go and use the strategy to pay off your Kartra account. So essentially, you've got a strategy in place that's paying this off for free. So what we're going to do is I'm going to sign into my Kartra dashboard over here, which looks like this. And over here, you will see I've got my keto landing page over here, which I'm going to give to you later in this video. So once you've imported this page to your account, which I'm going to show you later in this video, you need to click on these three dots over here, click on edit, and it's going to take you to this form over here. Click on edit again, and it's going to take you to the live page editor of Kartra.com. Now, this is going to be quite a bit of a nitty-gritty process. It won't take long, but I really recommend follow with me closely as I go through this. So all of this over here, you can leave exactly as is. The only thing we want to do is, and the only thing we want to change is we just want to edit this button over here. So we're going to click on edit pen over here. You'll see it will then open up the configuration tab. Click on link, and you want to click on popped in an opt-in form. We can go and drag any one of these. For example, this first one over here, we can drag as is, and we can type here, send ebook to your email. And then you can say, for this title, you can say instructions below, or let's go change this to download below. And then we want to type here on this little subtext over here, just double click on it, edit text, and we can go and type here, enter your email below to get the keto cheat sheet ebook sent straight to your email. We can delete this section here. For this little configure form, we want to go and click on it, click on edit style. For the opt-in form, which will automatically add to your account as well when you import this entire landing page, you want to go and click on create a new opt-in form. Just go and type here, keto form, it doesn't really matter the name. Click on create. And just like that, we want to click on apply. We then want to come over to the top right of this page, click on publish live. So this page saves live, and we just quickly need to go and set up our form that we've just created. But in the meantime, make sure your page is saved. We're then going to come back to the Kartra dashboard, click on my forms over here so we can go and edit our keto form. Click on the three dots of the keto form we've just created, click on edit. Click on edit again. For the form fields, leave it as default, first name and email. Click on save over here. Click on save and next. For your confirmation, we can leave it as single opt-in. Click on save. And then for your success page, you want to add the link to your Digistore24 affiliate link, which is this product over here. So just go and click on your affiliate link, copy this, go and paste this over here. Click on, just remove the HTTPS. Click on save and next. And then for the welcome message, we want to click on change over here. We want to click on send a welcome email, select the Kartra mail gateway. For the sender name, you can just type here your free keto ebook, and then send from email. You can just put your email address, for example, my email at gmail.com, and the reply to email as well. This will then send your leads an email to the download of your ebook. We're going to go and click on save over here, click on save and next. For your automations, you want to go subscribe them to a sequence. So just click on change, click on yes to subscribe to sequence, and you want to go and look for your keto, DFY keto sequence. Click on select step 1, click on add, click on save, and click on save and next over here. And we want to go and click on save again and click on save and next. We can now come back to our landing page over here, just refresh this entire page because remember we've saved it. And over here, we want to click on the edit style again, click on link, click on edit pop-up, and there we go. You can see everything is now set up. So what we want to go and do is we want to go and click on actions, publish live, and our landing page is now ready and set to go. So once you publish live, you'll see over here, you can get a link to your page, which then will take people to the landing page, which they can then go and download their ebook over here completely for free off the landing page you've just created. Now, when they enter their first name and email address, they're getting saved to an email sequence. And when they click sign up, the download email will be sent to the email, and it will then take them to this page over here where they can go and get their upsell and the entire custom keto diet. So now what we need to go and do is we need to come over to this website over here called msn.com. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of the usual Facebook ads or Google ads, we're going to be using Bing and MSN ads simply because there's a lot less competition on these websites. But as you can see, there's 900 million views on this website every single month. So it's nearly getting as much as traffic as Google and those other big platforms. A little bit less, but it's still enough to get tons of sales and traffic to our landing page. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Google and just open up a new tab called MSN ads. We can click on enter over here. You want to then come over to Microsoft advertising, click on sign up over here now. Sign in with your Microsoft account. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a full tutorial down below on exactly how I set up my Microsoft and MSN ads, which will take you through in depth exactly how I did that and exactly how you should do that as well with the landing page that you have just created. And once you've done that, your ads will look something like this over here. They most likely will pop up under the right button over here, or up on an ad format like this. You'll see over here, if I come over to any one of these articles over here, each of them will have different ads or different types of ads. So this specific article over here is someone promoting the Shopify affiliate program. So here's another good example of someone doing this with Shopify. Now, the difference between these ads and yours is you're gonna have an image selling people giving away your ebook completely for free, because that's what we're doing. We're giving it away for free without charge and sending it to our leads' email addresses completely for free. So then from that landing page, it's going to do all the upselling for you. So that is where we've kind of touched up on where people are just slapping these paid programs on MSN by actually giving away something for free to this cold audience over here. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more, I'm going to give you an entire program on YouTube completely for free, no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course on how you can go and master Kartra, all your email campaigns, get more knowledge on how to design professional and high converting landing pages. I'm going to leave that entire playlist over here, which consists of about 60 videos of my best Kartra strategies. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to leave over here my affiliate marketing playlist, which will teach you tons of different traffic methods that you can use for your landing pages that you've created on Kartra. This affiliate marketing playlist over here consists of plus minus my best 200 videos that I've made on YouTube in the past 3 years, all in one simple playlist for you guys. So what I recommend is go and choose one of these playlists over here, save them to your watch later, and I'll see you over there.